Hi everyone, welcome to Yu's Kitchen. Today I'm going to unbox a pasta and noodle maker. I just got it from Nanny Annie, the internet shop in Australia. This is a silver color model. There's 3 colors, gold, silver and red. And I bought the silver one. And this is for 110 to 240 volt. And the power is 180 W. Okay, let me now open the box and show everyone. They send in the noodle maker inside another box, so it's very protective. Okay, here you are. This is the Noodle-Matic pasta and noodle maker. I got it from the internet. Very stylish design. Okay, let's open the box and let everyone look at the inside. The packing is very secure with 2 foam boxes to protect the noodle maker. Inside the box, there's one noodle and machine recipe. Inside, you can see very simple recipe doing different kind of noodles. This is the seafood noodles, and they will tell you what kind of cylinder nozzle you're going to use, and the ingredients was inside, and the instruction how to make it. And also this kimchi service is another type of noodles, and shrimp roll noodles, and ramen, soba, egg white meal noodles, corn noodles. There's so many different recipes. And also pasta, red one, and this and you can use the machine to make buns and other things. So it's a very comprehensive recipe. And also they give you an instruction manual and tell you how to assemble the machine, the maker, and how to clean it, how to operate. And also there's a warranty card at the back. Okay, let's look at the machine. This is a separator. So separate the flour and the fun part of the machine. And they give you a measuring cup for oil, water, and this is the blade for mixing the flour, the blade. Also, they give you a measuring cup. So you can measure flour from here and pour in. This is the wrench, okay? The wrench. Okay, let's look at the machine. They also give you a brush for cleaning. It's a very nice one. Okay, here is the machine, the maker, the noodle maker. And I select the silver color. The silver color look much better. I don't like red. For myself, I like silver. A very tiny and very clever machine. This is a nozzle. I'm assuming the noodle will come down from here. And this is the mixer. I'm sure we put flour in here, and then the separator. So we will separate the flour and the mixing part. Yep, like this. And then later on we need to close it. And then the blade should go inside here as well. See inside here. And then assume we add water and all the other material from here. Okay. This is the stylish home pasta and noodle maker. I got it from Nanny Annie, the internet shops. I got it from a discount, $99. Australian to $99, and then another on top will be the shipping cost for $15. Yeah, with the on discount. I think original is the $199. Very stylish one. And this is an electronic computer controlled maker. Okay, let's turn it on and let everyone look how it look like. Now the noodle maker is on. And there's a timer. And I just tilt it a bit so everyone can see it. There's kneading the dough, blow, and extrude. Extrude should be the noodle come out. Okay. This machine should come with 6 nozzles, so you can make 6 different types of noodles. There's 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different nozzles. They have different size holes, so when the noodles extrude, should come out in different size. Okay, thank you for everyone watching our unbox of home use pasta and noodle maker. Noodle-matic. I got it from the internet, from Nanny Annie internet shops. If you like our video, please give us a like and subscribe. The next video I will use the noodle maker to make noodles and let everyone know how the machine is working and how to make noodles with this machine. Thank you for watching.